Hi guys, welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, we will be answering differential equation problem coming from one of our subscribers. Pero before natin sagutan to, shoutout muna dun sa mga future LPTs natin na magte-take ng licensure exam for teachers this coming September 29. And I hope you all the best, more power sa inyo mga idolo. So yung problem natin is eliminate the arbitrary constants in the equation y equals x multiplied by c sub 1 plus c sub 2 ln of x plus c sub 3 ln of x quantity squared. So the first thing that you have to consider is the number of arbitrary constants in the given equation. So as we notice, we have 1, 2, 3 arbitrary constants, which means that we have to differentiate thrice. So magde-derivative po tayo mga Lodi cakes ng tatlong beses. So paano yan, Sir IG? Merong x yan. Is there anything that we can do or is there any way possible so that yung x natin is hindi na makakagulo dun sa equation natin? Yes, what we can do is we can divide first both sides by x. So the equation now becomes y over x is equal to c sub 1 plus c sub 2 ln of x plus c sub 3 ln of x quantity squared. Okay. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, yung c sub 1, mag-isa na lang siya. So, madali na natin siyang ma-eliminate by doing our first differentiation or unang derivative natin. So, differentiate natin both sides and then we will just apply the quotient rule on the left-hand side of our equation. So, we have, since this is quotient, VDU, di ba? So, we have VDU minus UDV all over V squared. So, we have x multiplied by the derivative of y is equal to y prime minus y multiplied by the derivative of x is equal to 1 all over the square of the denominator. So we have here x squared. The derivative of c sub 1 will be equal to 0 because the derivative of any constant is always equal to 0. The derivative of ln x, alam natin na ang derivative ng ln x is 1 over x. So this will now become c2 all over x. However, for the ln of x, quantity squared, we will be using chain rule. So, paano mag-chain rule dyan, Sir IJ? Apply ka muna ng power rule and then derivative nung inside expression natin. Ang derivative ng ln x quantity squared, yung 2, bababa mo dito, tapos multiplied by ln x, and the derivative of ln x is equal to 1 over x. So, this will now become 2, c sub 3, binaba ko lang yung 2 mga Lodi cakes, multiplied by ln x, multiplied by 1 over x, which will now become all over x. Kasi yun yung derivative ng loob natin. So ano nang gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Naka-first derivative na tayo. Ang goal natin, tatlo. So what we will do is we will multiply both sides by x. Multiply both sides of the equation by x so that it will just leave the c sub 2 alone. Okay? So multiply natin both sides by x, mga Lodi cakes, and then just simplify. So kapag minultiply natin to ng x, so magiging x times 1 over x squared, magiging over x na lang siya. Simplify natin yung numerator, will come up with xy prime minus y all over x will be equal to c sub 2 plus 2c sub 3 ln of x. Okay guys? Or you can remove the parenthesis naman. Sige, tanggalin lang natin mga idolo yung parenthesis para at least mas magandang tingnan, Sir IJ. Ayan. So ano nang gagawin natin dyan, Lodi cakes? So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan mga idolo is derivative na ulit, applying quotient rule on the left-hand side. So, we have, just be careful, kasi may mga expressions dito that you will be applying the power rule, the product rule of differentiation. So, we have VDU, so x multiplied by, ang derivative ng xy prime will be under the product rule. So, UDV plus VDU, so we have x, y, double prime, derivative ng y prime, plus y prime, multiplied by the derivative of x, which is 1. Derivative ng negative y is negative y prime, Sir IJ. So that is our VDU minus UDV. So minus yung expression natin sa itaas, xy prime minus y, multiplied by the derivative of the denominator which is equal to 1, mga Lodi cakes. All over the square of the denominator which is x squared equals, ang derivative ng c sub 2, 0. Ang derivative ng ln x, that is correct, 1 over x. So the right-hand side will just be 2c3 or 2c sub 3 all over x. Okay? And ilang derivative po ba kailangan? Tatlo. So kailangan nating eliminate yung x dito. So same process din siya mga idolo. Multiply both sides by x. So this will now be all over x and then just simplify yung numerator natin. So gawin natin dito mga Lodi cakes, gawin na natin siyang all over x or ij. Okay? So kung papansinin natin siya mga Lodi cakes, so minultiply ko lang po siya both sides by x ha. So ang gagawin natin, itong y prime times 1, that is y prime minus y prime, this will cancel, di ba guys? So we have x multiplied by xy prime, so you will come up with x squared, y double prime, mga idolo. Tapos simplify natin to minus x, y prime, negative, negative, that is positive y, is equal to 2c sub 3. And then the final step comes here now. So we will do the final differentiation. Getting the derivative of both sides will make this equal to 0, and then just apply the denominator, the quotient rule of differentiation. So we have v du. So ano derivative ng x squared y double prime? Okay, so that is correct mga Lodi cakes. That is x squared y triple prime applying the product rule plus derivative ng y double prime, copy ng y double prime, multiplied by x squared na derivative niyan, which is 2x. Okay? Minus another product rule for xy prime. So applying product rule, xy double prime, derivative ng x is equal to 1. Okay, mga Lodi cakes. And then, ano derivative ng guys, ng y? So that is plus y prime po, Sir IJ. Medyo mahaba lang siya, nakakainis. Kasi mag-ano pa tayo, minus, di ba ang haba niya? v du minus u dv. Although copy lang naman natin yung numerator. X squared y double prime minus xy prime plus y multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is 1 all over haba, di ba mga Lodi cakes? All over x squared is equal to 0. So what you can do here now is x squared multiplied by the right hand side. So that is equal to, or it will eliminate the x squared. So ano mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? So, ang gawin natin dito guys, di ba itong multiply natin by x squared. So, sige, lagay natin. Okay. Shoutout din pala kay Boss Daniel Padilla. Lodi cakes yan. So, multiplying both sides by x squared times 1 over x squared will be 1 na. So, magiging 0 na dito sa right side. So, simplify natin yung taas. So, ilagay na lang natin dito yung continuation. X times x squared y triple prime. So, we have x cubed y triple prime, mga idolo. Ito yung continuation nasa taas plus 2x times x. So we have 2x squared y double prime. Just be careful guys with how you manipulate or multiply. Xy prime, xy double prime times x. So that is minus x squared y double prime. Y prime times x, kaya lang negative. So we have minus xy prime, mga Lodi cakes, plus xy prime. Okay, good job Sir IJ. And then ito, copy na lang. So minus, and then just distribute the negative. Minus x squared y, double prime, negative, negative. So plus xy prime minus y is equal to 0. Ano mga pwede i-cancel dyan, Sir Lodi cakes? Ito, cancel natin to. Tapos, ito 2x squared y prime minus x squared y prime, that is x squared y prime, y double prime, minus x squared y double prime. So this will cancel out, which will yield us with our final answer, which is x cubed y triple prime plus xy prime minus y is equal to 0. So kailangan lang talaga dito mga Lodi cakes, kabisado nyo yung basic differentiation rule. Tandaan po natin that differential equations is a combination or is a fusion of the integral and differential calculus. Mastering the basics is a really good thing and is a must if you want to pass the given subject. So if ever meron kayong questions or clarifications with our process, feel free to ask questions sa comment section. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. I hope you all the best mga Lodi cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.